Cheap fossil fuels have played a major role in the rising living standards of developing countries. However, the consumption of these fuels is a significant contributing factor to global warming and environmental degradation. At the same time, sustainable energy sources such as solar and biofuel continue to improve in terms of price and efficiency. We have the technology to generate clean, cheap energy in developing countries, but the established energy infrastructure is entirely built around fossil fuels. The question then is, how can Project Everest connect consumers in these countries with reliable, renewable energy sources? We believe that financially viable social businesses have the best chance to solve this problem. The first step in this process is assessing the unique situation in our countries of interest and understanding the day-to-day energy usage of real people. Project Everest is sending teams of trekkers to conduct interviews on the existing state of energy infrastructure in a number of developing countries. These interviews will help to define the existing state of energy structure within an area, including the availability, quality, and cost of different energy sources. They will also determine energy usage trends in different geographies to paint a clearer picture on a regional level. This information will form a baseline assessment of the existing attitudes and practices surrounding energy usage within developing countries, with a focus on assessing the feasibility of solar, wind, biofuel, and other renewable sources. Trekkers will be based in regions with their teams to conduct verbal and non-verbal interviews with local businesses, NGOs, and members of the community. These interviews will address size and define stages of the design thinking process and provide a foundation for the development of renewable energy. This project will determine the commercial and operational feasibility of a number of approaches, including renewable energy generators and smart grid technologies. Understanding the situation on a local level is key to having a meaningful, long-term impact. Those who are accepted onto this project will be at the forefront of the design thinking process, developing a detailed understanding of the current situation. This will be achieved by engaging with stakeholders in a number of villages and identifying the recurring themes and issues. You will need to empathize and think critically to get to the root causes of user complaints. By the end of the project, your team will have defined the supply, cost, and usage of various energy sources, laying the foundation for the development of these social businesses by future Project Everest teams.